So hi guys, welcome back once again to this African village content. And right here I have a baby girl. She's called Sophia.
Maria.
Not Sophia, Mariam. Maria. Nako miaka ngapi? She's 7 years old. And today she's present in the family. Yesterday she wasn't around. You see. Alright? And there is many activities going on. But guys, I've been to many places and I have many oh my God. I have something to say to you all. I have been to many places and I have seen many faces. And if there is one thing that Africa has taught me, is that we should never judge a book by its cover. Never what? Sema never. Sema never.
Never.
Judge a book by its cover. Okay? Yes, sawa. I am currently standing somewhere in a remote village in Africa, and you will not believe the peace and calmness that I have experienced here so far. Ironically, I have been to rich neighborhoods and I have never felt like this before. When you look at this beautiful African grandmother, she's over there, by the way, she's over there with her green lasso. It is easy to dismiss her. Obviously, because she does not dress lavishly in any shape, in any way, shape or form. You hear me? Okay? And the fire is even, we are working on the fire back there. It's in the evening. We want to cook. Tunapika nini leo? Viazi. Oh. Let's continue. However, you will be very wrong to dismiss her, my grandma, because let me tell you, she is one of the most genuine people I have ever met. I first met her about 3 years ago when I had come to look for coconuts. I don't know whether you know about coconuts. Zile nazi zile. In Swahili zinaitwa nazi. Even on the first day, she was very welcoming. Over the years, I began to understand that the more money you have, the more likely you are to be arrogant. If I don't know whether you disagree with me or you agree with me, but that's the point. Okay? And welcome to our beautiful African family. Okay, my grandma is still working on the kuni section and she's at the background, as you can see her, right? Tukona moshi hapa. That's the smoke. Up top. Yeah. Oh, my grandma just got hurt. Where is the place? I want to see. Here. Ouch. No. My grandma is hurt. Lakini anachomwa na maji moto, si ndio bibi?
Hapa hata nikaangalie tu pana pakato na kijembe.
Au, pole bibi. Pole, mambo? Waitwa nani? Mariamu. Ulikuwa wapi?
Sokoni.
Oh. Una sound mpole. Hey.
Now, pay close attention. This black substance here is a very potent drug used by many members in our village as a casual recreation. But make no mistake, it can make you dizzy within a matter of seconds. It is usually placed on the lower lip and then you squeeze out the saliva, but you will spit out the residue. Have you seen this thing before?
Baby, and the fireplace is now ready. Mboga ishatolewa hapa. Oh, ndio hiyo yaiva. Oh. We, na wewe unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani wewe? Ibo. And their neighbors also. Neighbors are coming. Mambo? Neighbors. Maria. Maria, relax. Nione nini mna watch. Oh, is Amanda. Hata kuna reaction ya mtoto. Mtoto amejua simu. Iyo. Unampenda Amanda. She forever Wakanda. Wait.
Meanwhile, grandmother is holding a machete. And you can also see this child getting excited over this skipping rope.
Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, Maria. Hiyo ni challenge. Acha niende na bibi. Oh, bibi ameenda kwa nyumba. Ishi from Kenya, Uganda. We. This is the solar. Ulikuwa umenikimbia? Yay! Aduh, aduh. Mayo. Sasa kuko arudi ndani sasa. Sasa masaa imefika sasa. Wewe nitakuita Atieno. Wewe nikuite bwana mkuu. Wewe nikuite nani wewe? Wewe sema hi. Say hi. Na si umembeba vizuri. Sawa sawa.